Hello, my name is Ehsan Ahmed. I am a student of Shantamari University of Creative Technology, Department of Graphic Design and Multimedia. I enjoy to creating unique designs and I specialized in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro. One of my favorite was image manipulation, video editing, VFX, motion design, like that. I also have experience in designing logos, social media. I eager to apply my skills in creative industry. Please check me to the link in my resume to learn more about